Hola, hello, I am Pepe the King Prono Guy.
Oh, that's so f***ing cool. And that's how we completely destroy a powerboard on a Leader 120. Nice.
Everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Well, it's March 13th, and as I said, we are going to do the giveaway today for that Leader 120. You'll find that video gone from the channel now that giveaway is over. We're going to go ahead and put up the next giveaway in the next couple days, which is going to be a Whoop build kit. So you can enter to win your possibly first Whoop. Build yourself, only requires 2 solder joints, and when that happens, I will ask the winner if they want me to go ahead and do any of the couple soldering pieces that need to be done before it needs to be sent out in case they don't have an iron. But it's going to be an otherwise DIY kit where you plug in your own motors, put it together, and put your receiver on it, and off you go. So let's go ahead and do our random selection of the comments on that video for the Leader 120 giveaway. So we're putting in our URL for that. Hitting the start button. Oh, gotta find it first. Sorry, guys. There we go. So there's 64 comments on that, I noticed, but 62 actual people. So I'm going to have to make sure after I do this, guys, to make sure that you haven't commented twice, because that basically gives you 2 entries, which is not okay. So the winner is Richard R. So Richard R, I need you to go to the quadcopterreview.com, and on the right you will see my contact information where you can get an email to send me your address and such, and I will get this package out to you. Now, Richard R has till Friday to contact me to get his prize sent out to him. If not, I will redraw this and make an attempt to contact you or post a second video. So keep your eyes out for that. Keep your eyes out for that DIY Whoop giveaway that's going to be coming up here this week shortly, either today or tomorrow. I'll have that out. I just need to put that together. And we'll go from there. And thank you everybody who entered. And remember, like, subscribe, tell your friends, Facebook it, do all those things. Help me get it out there. And the more I get it out there, the more of these contests we can do. Thanks everybody for participating.